getting ready to move a vessel through Cincinnati, getting it ready, loaded, tied down, skidded.
We're going to put some gas line pipe up across the top of it for the wires to skid over. And we're going to be taking it to the barge site. Well, a lot of it's office work as far as that goes. I mean, as far as, they do the groundwork.
It took about 2 months to plan this move. We had to coordinate with 7 different municipalities to get all our proper permits. Obviously, the utilities, it's high. It's 19 foot 2 high, so we had to coordinate with 9 different utility owners to move the traffic signals and power wires along the route.
Lots of planning, lots of running around finding routes. We have to locate routes that we can take and routes we can't take. And
all the utility owners have ran the route and looked at the routes with the driver, so they all know exactly what they need to do.
Make sure all the power lines, any kind of wires, any kind of lights can be moved, will be moved. Trees that have to be trimmed, notifying any people living along the route that there's a large move coming their way to get prepared for it on the day of the move. If you don't see this very often, it is something very interesting to see. And people do stop and they watch you go by.
Now to a traffic alert that could put a kink in your morning plans.
Traffic came to a standstill in some parts of the Queen City as an oversized load impacted Sunday morning traffic. It took a police escort and several power companies to help transport this huge steel vessel.
And then it comes to us. Once they get us a format laid out to go look at, but the main thing is you got to make sure with this type of trailer that you can get around the corner somewhere. You don't want to get trying to make a turn somewhere and then all of a sudden there's a pole or a building in your way and you don't go, then you're in trouble.
It takes a lot of training and a lot of teamwork. There's a whole crew. There's the tillermen, your escorts, and the guy up front's really got to be coordinated with everybody and sync with everybody.
I mean, a lot of people can go out and promise you can move something here to there, point A to point B, but
not everybody can spend all day driving 5 miles an hour, concentrating on everything in front of them, around them, behind them, and coordinating everything and listen to everybody. Not everybody has that skill set.
You don't get excited. I mean, you just got to keep your patience, you don't get excited. You just got to work with everybody and coordinate all the different bucket trucks involved, the different utilities, getting them back in front of you to lift the next set of lights.
Because this is what we do. It's as simple as that. This is what we specialize in. This is what we're known for. This is what we do best.
It's not just a job. I mean, it's a challenge sometimes, and that's what's fun about it. I mean, I like a challenge.
It's just something that you might see once in a lifetime going down the road. Other than that, if we do our job right, you see us once and we're gone, light footprint, no mistakes, and we're gone out of your hair.